Today I open ChatGPT and I've got this new button which is work with apps. What it does is it will work with the set of apps they have included. For example, if I click on it, there is a code, there's a terminal, there's a cursor, and there's an inactive app that you can also use, which is TextEdit and Xcode. You can use this app to interact with and solve problems like debugging, or if you want to modify some piece of code. So there are certain steps involved. If you go to this particular guide they have written with the work with apps on Mac OS, so you have got all this information, and there's a set of apps that is included is Xcode, VS Code, and there is a many application that is based on the VS Code, which is Cursor, Windsurf, and VS Codium, which you can also do that. So if we click on this particular link, it will give you the exact file, which is OpenAI ChatGPT.v6 extension you need to install using VS Code. So if I go to the VS Code here, this is the VS Code project which I have opened. You need to press Command plus Shift plus P, and there you will have this set of options available, open up as a pop-up. So you need to search for the extensions. Here you have an option of install from V6. You may not find the option just because I've already used this. You can do that with the help of this scrolling, and if you click on it, you need to open that V6 file you have downloaded and it will install successfully. Afterwards you will have this enabled here, just like that. And now if I go to index.html, if I want to know what is this project all about, so what you need to do is first you need to select the code here, the pop-up window you have opened, and click on here as such what this project is all about. So if I just go here and see what this project is all about, it will analyze the index.html code and give you the answer based on that text. So this is the code it looked at, and it will provide the answer accordingly. For example, if you want to modify something about this particular page, you can say modify the code and also provide dark light toggle button. So I want to add a dark light toggle button here. I want to add the functionality to this code. So what it will do is, here's the modify code. So it will provide the modified code just like this. So it won't automatically implement this. So it doesn't have that capability yet, but it will provide the code. You just copy this and paste that here. So this is all about this work with the apps using ChatGPT. So it also provide many set of apps. So use case, if you're working on a certain file, for example this, if you want to add some functionality to it, you can go ahead and do that. And there's more use case with this. So this is the readme MD. So it has all the information about the project I have built. If I click on the code, I select the code and I want to ChatGPT to read this and provide set of instructions how to make this project live on Ubuntu server using AA panel. So readme.md has all the information about my project, right? GPT to read all the instructions and provide me how to make this project live on Ubuntu server using AA panel. It will provide step-by-step instructions with the commands you need to set up using your own AA panel and your server. As you can see here, you can go ahead and follow it accordingly. So you can also do with it the help of terminals. For example, if I open the terminal here and type pip install selenium, it will install. Yes, it was started something. So if I say node v, so it will give me a node answer. This is everything about the terminal. If you want to rectify some part of your terminal, it may give you an error. So if you have encountered the errors using terminal, you can easily resolve that with the help of work with app. So what you need to do, you need to click on this and click on the terminal and see how can I install and upgrade node version. So what it will do is it will analyze the terminal which I have already written here, and it will read that. It will see the node version is 20.5.1, and I want this to have a search capability. Why? Because I want to see if there is a upgraded version available. So it will provide the commands accordingly. So if I just click on center, it's searching the web, looking at my terminal, and will provide a set of instructions. That's how you can easily work with the power of ChatGPT and with the set of apps that they have included. So it's just getting started, and maybe in the upcoming times it add more functionality to do it for you. How did you like this, and how are you going to plan to use this feature in your daily life? Do let me know in the comment box. So see you in the next video.